How to update Kotak Mobile Banking app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Kotak Mobile Banking application. In order to unlock new features, you will need to update your application time to time. For that, first of all, open your Google Play Store of your device if you are using Android device. And if you are using iOS, you can use any app store available in your iOS device. Now once you open the Google Play Store, make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Now here tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. By doing so, you will be taken to this page. Here at the top, you will be able to see the search bar. Simply tap on it and then there type in the keyword Kotak Mobile Banking. Once you have entered it, tap on the search icon of your keyboard to search for it. Now here you will be able to see the search results below. Find the authentic Kotak Mobile Banking application and then tap on the app icon to open it. And inside it, here you will need to locate the update button. Here I have already updated my application, so I am not able to see the update button here. But if you find the update button here instead of open, simply tap on that update button and wait until the app gets updated on your device. And once after updating the application, simply tap on the open button and open your application. After that, use your credentials to log into your account and access it. So by following these steps, you should be able to update your Kotak Mobile Banking application. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.